Find features that differentiate it from other brands for KyraNexo Smart 1080p Video Doorbell Camera with Doorbell Receiver. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Smart AI recognition. Advanced algorithms detect human activity while filtering out pets and vehicles, so you only receive meaningful notifications. Clear two-way audio. Communicate directly with visitors through built-in audio, whether you're at home or away. Secure cloud storage. Protect your recordings with AES 128 encrypted storage and enjoy a 30-day trial to capture, replay, and share important footage. Receiver alerts. The included indoor receiver can be placed in any room to suit your needs. Multiple receivers can be linked to a single doorbell for enhanced coverage. Stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, optimized for 2.4 GHz networks, this doorbell provides smooth, consistent performance at all times. 5 GHz not supported. High-definition night vision. 4 IR LEDs and an intelligent sensor capture clear, detailed video even in pitch-black conditions. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.